Hi Zenden!
Welcome to our 5,000 square feet apartment in Bangalore. Hi, I'm Bhavya Byregowda.
And I'm Loukya. This is our 6 BHK home and we moved in here in 2023.
I like to spend most of the time at home. I named it as Brihati. It means heaven.
Come on in. This is our beautiful entry foyer. As soon as the lift opens, you're greeted by this nostalgic space filled with old world charm. All the walls here have this beautiful concrete finish and we have this brick cladding here to complement it very well. Another beautiful feature of this space that I want to talk about are these beautiful wooden carved pillars. Generally in homes they have these standing pillars, but we wanted to modernize it, so we've added in this feature and made it hanging. Traditionally in South Indian homes, the entryway is decorated with beautiful rangolis or kolam, and they're usually made using rice flour. So to incorporate that, we made it in a bigger than life form and we've added it to the ceilings, and to mimic the color of the rice flour used to draw the rangolis, we've kept it white.
Puja room is the first thing you can see when you enter the house. I'm a devotional person. Puja room is very important for me. When we bought this house, we did not have puja room. We had an empty space. We built a wall to make this puja room. As you can see, we have used marble and wooden element. We have used Chettinadu pillar. They are 50 years old. We have used the marble inlay. The main highlight of the puja room is this teakwood mantap. We have used white marble to contrast the wooden work, and we have added the intricate inlay work. To highlight the flooring, we have used this mother of pearl. It looks like a rangoli to the puja room. This is my living area. This is where we spend most of our time, and I feel this is my heart of the house. So in the living room, we have used traditional and earthy colors like red, orange and green. To balance out, we have used beige and browns. One of the interesting piece in our living area is this nested table. One day we went to Chitrakala Parishad and I really like that Patachitra. We incorporated that as a side table. Even this Deepa is also, we have used it as a side table. This is customized sofa. It's made out of Napa leather. The painting, what you see is a tree of life. The artist name is Harinath. It's a Kalankari art. Kalankari art is from Andhra Pradesh, made of vegetable dye. This is our central focus of our living area. Another unique feature of our living area is this console or a TV unit. We have added a stone leg made out of Sadarahalli stone. It's a local stone in Karnataka. My favorite part of this living area is this Channapatna pillars. Channapatna is a small town in Karnataka. It's known for making wooden toys. We grew playing with this Channapatna toys. We wanted these colors and elements to be a part of our house, so we did this as a partition for the living area.
As a result of dividing the living room and the dining room, we invariably get this passage which leads to the main room. And at the end of this passage, we've created this beautiful console. And on the top, we have a framed sari. This was actually my grandmom's wedding sari. And I think it adds a beautiful touch of sentiment to the space. On my left here, hidden behind this wooden wall seamlessly, we have our home theatre. My mom has always wanted a home theatre and I've wanted one too. Whenever my amama, that's my grandmom, whenever she's over, we always have fun watching movies here.
This is my dining area. You can see I love brass. We have used brass in different elements throughout the space. I love setting table. I love hosting people. That's why we have an 8-seater. I love the legs of this table. It's unique, and we have used teak chairs and table. Since we have a dark flooring, sunlight here is less. We have added arch mirrors to reflect the sunlight from the balcony. You can see right behind the dining table there is a crockery unit. I like to collect beautiful crockeries. I didn't want boring shelf, so we did a beautiful crockery unit. This wooden clad niche beautifully highlight the design of the crockery unit. Welcome to my kitchen. It has a classic English combination. We have used oak wood and white combination. I needed a lot of storage in the kitchen and everything should have its own space. Another thing what we did in this space is we have created a walk-in pantry. We can use it for a storage. And we have again created this pantry cabinet wherein we have these pull-out trays. I can easily access ingredients while cooking. We have a large L-shaped counter which holds stove and a sink. I wanted this island for my kitchen because I use this space for cutting vegetables and for the breakfast. Even though we like the marble, we didn't use for the kitchen as it gets stained easily. We went to a lot of stores to find the right material and we found this Taj Mahal quartzite. Even after 2 years, I'm very happy that we chose this material. It still looks new.
Welcome to my room. As you can see, my room is very different from the rest of the house. We kept it white and neutral tone so that even if my style keeps evolving throughout the years, I can experiment and I can change things gradually. This is my walk-in closet. The interesting thing about this room is this beautiful arch door we have here. This was actually a different bedroom. So we broke down this wall and we added this beautiful arch door with fluted glass. As you can probably see, I love clothes and I wanted ample room to keep all my clothes. And even for my books, I wanted ample storage. So we've added this bookshelf, and to store all my accessories we have this marble island in the middle.
This is my master bedroom. I wanted it to be a warm, cozy and comfortable space. As you already seen, I like art. I wanted that art to be in my room also. Behind me you can see this band of mural. It was hand painted by an artist. As you can see, we have the texture paint all over the room. We have the teakwood paneling to highlight the mural. Entry to this room was made to be a closet, but we did not want it to look like a closet. So we have used a customized wallpaper from House of Hikari. As you can see, we have used heart frames as a handle. So it looks like a wall with heart hung on it.
This is my grandparents' room. We wanted to maintain that traditional style with a touch of regal here. The moment you enter this room, you can see the walk-in closet. We have these beautiful wardrobes with the shuttered wooden doors. All the furniture from the bed to the side tables, everything is customized, and the language of the furniture is mostly Chettinad. My favorite part of this room is this day bed. All the other rooms in our house had a balcony. We still wanted that experience here, so we added this day bed. This is my favorite spot in this room. I come here and I sit and read a book. And even when my grandparents are over, they absolutely love sitting here. The entire process of designing our dream home was truly seamless, and I would like to thank Aishwarya and House of Ruya. They did a fabulous job.
Thank you, Zenden.
I hope you enjoyed our home tour.